How do you know if a print defect is due to the drum or another laser printer component? The drum is this one. It is often green in color, but can be light blue, beige, or brown. Do not confuse the drum with the fuser roller, which is the hot rollers at the exit of the sheet. Repetitive defects, black vertical lines, light prints, gray background could be drum defects. A defect on the surface of the drum usually appears at regular intervals on the page. The distance between the defects is the same as the circumference of the drum. For example, if a defect is repeated on the sheet at a distance of 90 millimeters and the circumference of the drum is 90 millimeters, almost sure the problem is a faulty drum. Check the drum for any defects that match the defect on the sheet. Try to clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. It's an alcohol that does not leave residues. Turn the drum with your fingers. Touch the drum only at the ends. In the description of this video, there is a link to a video that shows how to clean the drum without removing it from the cartridge. If a cleaning does not work, there is no way to repair a defective drum. The only solution is to replace the drum. If the defect is a vertical black line, there should also be this line on the drum, matching the line on the sheet. Try cleaning the drum with a cloth. If the line disappears, it may be a defect in the cleaning drum blade. A large vertical white line may not be a drum problem. Check the corona wire or the laser scanner. A gray background, inconsistencies in color, low print quality, or light copies on the whole sheet could be related to the drum. It happens with old drums that have lost the photosensitive properties. The drum slowly deteriorates as time goes by. It will not last forever. The drum tends to wear more at the sides. In this case, you should see a change of color in one side of the drum. This is a print of a laterally worn drum. A drum worn at the edges is not a problem. The sides are not involved in the printing process. Drums are damaged when exposed to light. In this case, the defect may be a gray background or light copies in the position where the drum was exposed to light. Unusual noises could be related to the drum. The drums have gears. Check the teeth of the gear. Ghosting is when a faint image of a previous page appears on a new page. It can be a sign of a worn-out drum that is not properly transferring the toner. It could also be a fuser unit problem or a low toner cartridge. If you find that you're replacing toner cartridges more frequently without a corresponding increase in printing volume, the drum may be defective. Frequent paper jams, completely blank or black pages, may not be related to the drum itself, although could be related to the drum unit or imaging unit. Corona wire, contacts, and other components of the drum unit. An error message does not automatically indicate that a drum is defective. Laser printers have a page counter that will send an error message after a certain number of pages, even if the drum is good.